Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can how can you use this pole saw, which is also called pruner, to cut tree branches. So what's happening here, coming towards me my side. So I'm going to show you how you can use. First of all, the length of this saw is adjustable, okay, and I had shown you in the previous video how you can adjust it yourselves. So once you are ready, you need to find out the branch that's coming to you, and it's like a saw. You see, it's very sharp blade. So you see it has been cut. So you just need to keep going up and down like the way you use saw, and you need to hold the handle very carefully. Unfortunately, I had to stop it for a few seconds because I needed both my hands. So in this way it can be easily cut. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.